Hey there, beautiful souls. Welcome back to another episode by Astro Bhava and Vedic Secrets, where we dive into ancient wisdom to solve modern problems. I'm your host, and I will be guiding you on this journey. Today's episode is something truly special because we are talking about money, abundance, and removing financial blockages using a sacred ancient method, the Lakshmi Kuber Homa. And yes, if you have been feeling stuck financially, whether it's debts, stagnant business, or simply not attracting the wealth you deserve, this could be the shift you have been waiting for. And the best part? You don't even have to leave your home. At Astrobhava, we bring the power of ancient homas online directly to you, no matter where you are in the US or anywhere in the world. First, what exactly is the Lakshmi Kuber Homa? Think of it like this. In Indian Vedic traditions, Lakshmi is the goddess of wealth, abundance, and prosperity, while Kuber is the divine treasurer, the banker of the heavens, if you will. When you perform the Lakshmi Kuber Homa, you are aligning yourself spiritually and energetically with the forces that attract money, success, and abundance into your life. It is not just about hoping for a lottery win, it's about clearing hidden blocks, karmic debts, and inviting sustained, stable financial growth into your life. And let me tell you, at Astrobhava, we specialize in conducting these powerful homas online, performed by expert priests with all the rituals, mantras, and the sacred fire ceremonies done exactly as prescribed in the ancient texts. You know, one of our clients, Ananda from Texas, was struggling with her small business. Despite her hard work, revenues were barely covering costs. She tried marketing, she tried financial advisors, but nothing really clicked. That's when she found Astrobhava and booked a Lakshmi Kuber Homa with us. Within 3 months, she saw a 30% increase in her sales and signed her biggest client ever. Coincidence? Maybe. But sometimes, opening spiritual channels can create opportunities you never even thought was possible. And Ananda's story is not rare. We have had clients from California to New York tell us how these sacred rituals helped them get job promotions, unexpected investments, and even resolve court cases related to finances. Now, you might be wondering, wait, can I really do something like this online? Oh, yes. Here's how it works with Astrobhava. You book your Homa session easily through our website. We schedule the ceremony based on the most auspicious date and time. That's super important for maximum effect. Our expert priests perform the ritual on your behalf in a sacred space, and you can watch it live or receive the complete video and blessings afterward. And yes, all the mantras, offerings, and rituals are performed exactly as if you were sitting right next to the sacred fire. Simple, seamless, and sacred. At Astrobhava, we truly believe that everyone deserves access to divine help, no matter where they live. That's why we make online Homa services simple, transparent, and genuinely spiritual, not gimmickly. We have helped thousands around the world unleash wealth, heal relationships, clear career blocks, and even solve health issues, all through the ancient power of personalized homas. You deserve abundance too. Alright, let's tackle some of the quick, frequently asked questions we get from our US listeners. Firstly, how soon can I see results after the Lakshmi Kuber Homa? Results vary. Some people notice shifts within a few days, for others, it builds gradually over weeks or months. Remember, homas clear karmic blocks, which can sometimes unfold divine timing. Do I need to be present during the Homa? Not at all. While you are welcome to join the live session online, your name, birth details, and intentions are included in the ritual. The universe listens even if you are catching up later through the recording. Can I book the Homa for someone else, like a family member? Absolutely. Many of our clients book it for children, spouse, or even parents struggling financially. You just need their basic birth details and we take care of the rest. So, if you have been feeling like you are doing everything right but still facing financial hurdles, maybe it's time to unlock a higher level of abundance. Visit astrobhava.com today and book your Lakshmi Kuber Homa. Let's not just chase wealth, let's attract it, welcome it, and hold it. Because you deserve the prosperity, not just someday, but now. Until the next time, stay abundant, stay blessed, and remember, your destiny can change with the right intention.